Welcome to the JP Morgan Automated Investing Review, Usage Experience. Links to JP Morgan Automated Investing are included in the description below. This platform, part of the broader Chase ecosystem, is a user-friendly robo-advisor designed for individuals seeking a low-cost, hands-off investment solution backed by one of the most trusted names in finance. It's particularly suitable for Chase customers who want to consolidate their financial activities within one platform, but it's also accessible to anyone looking for an automated, goal-based investing experience. JP Morgan Automated Investing offers a straightforward onboarding process. After answering questions about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and timeline, the platform creates a diversified portfolio primarily consisting of JP Morgan ETFs. This approach ensures cost efficiency while leveraging the firm's in-house expertise. Portfolios are automatically rebalanced to maintain your desired risk level, and there's no need to micromanage your investments, ideal for busy individuals or those new to investing. The platform requires a minimum investment of $500, making it accessible to beginner investors while still catering to those with more capital. The advisory fee is competitive at 0.35% annually, which covers automated portfolio management and access to planning tools. While this fee doesn't include human financial advisors, the platform's simplicity and efficiency make it a good option for those comfortable with a fully digital experience. One standout feature of JP Morgan Automated Investing is its seamless integration with Chase accounts. If you're a Chase customer, you'll appreciate the ability to view your investments alongside your checking, savings, and credit card accounts within one app. This integration provides a clear picture of your overall financial health. Additionally, the platform offers goal planning features, whether you're saving for retirement, a home, or other financial milestones. JP Morgan Automated Investing is an excellent choice for cost-conscious investors who value simplicity and convenience. It's especially appealing to Chase customers who want a streamlined experience for managing their finances. If you're looking for a trusted, low-maintenance solution to grow your wealth, this platform delivers. Links in the description provide more details to help you get started.